in 10 days without any additional cost from Trading Shenzhen. Let's unbox it. Power converter and Redmi Turbo Free. Satisfaction. Redmi. Wow. And 90-watt charger, USB Type A, and also a power cable, USB Type A to C. Smells very weird. Are we going to have a case? SIM card tool. We do have a case. That's very nice of him. Wow. Okay, so this is a soft rubber, and the device is extremely light. Feels very plasticky. We have one of the biggest flash I've seen ever. The main question, is it going to protect the device? Oh, that's tight. It will protect the cameras, it's a little bit above, and the flash. And it will protect the screen all around, on the side, and definitely on the corners. See? First of all, always on display, screen, it's a beautiful screen, 120 Hz. If we go to settings and display, we do have night mode, we do have dark mode. Everything works very smoothly because I've set it to 120 Hz fixed. You can set it on 60 or default. I recommend 120 to have that smooth experience, which is very nice. And also a little bit of feedback. You won't see it because it's a vibration. Very nice. All right. The next question is connectivity. VoLTE, LTE, there it is, available. VLAN calling, available. Also 5G, available. Oh, that's the maximum, boss. Wow. Indoors, in a studio, so it must be great antennas. Mobile payments. Do remember that Play Store and Gboard is pre-installed. I also installed Speed Test, Wallet. By the way, Speed Test, let's do that in 5G. Oh, it didn't recognize my region. That's not my region. What the hell? Really? Seriously? Indoors? Damn! That is impressive. Wow. But that's not even my region. Additional settings. We do have languages. Unfortunately, there's not too many languages. It's the Chinese version, so English, it's what we have. If we hit my device, that's 256 GB version, Snapdragon 8 Gen S. That's the resolution and cameras. Okay, do remember that this is just unboxing. The full review of the benchmark and everything will be in the next video. Let's see cameras. We do have Pro for photo and video. There will be a separate video for the camera walkthrough itself. We do have video with autofocus. Oh, that's impressive. Maybe some subject. There it is. Wow, nice. Can we do macro? Very impressive macro. And in the photo, such a clean screen. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How clean that is. Portrait. Nice, tracking me. By the way, if we go back to the video, front-facing camera Full HD, but the main lens 4K 60. That's very impressive. Portrait, night mode, and... Alright, the camera doesn't feel like too many options. Do remember that this is a very inexpensive device. Link in the description, of course, for the price, but it's extremely inexpensive. And I'm shocked that it doesn't even have 4K. And 4K 60, that is wow. Okay, 50 megapixels. Alright, let me show you some samples for photo and video. And there will be a link in the description for you to download original samples. Cheese with nuts. Wide-angle lens only in full HD. Main lens has autofocus, and it's in 4K. Also, if you want to zoom, why not zoom to Verona? 6x, that's the maximum zoom for the Verona. In the sound, we do have Dolby Atmos and a lot of customization, immersive sound, and yeah, ringtones. Stereo speakers. Wow, impressive. For $300, my expectations were very low, and when I saw 4K 60, wow. Okay, it doesn't have so many features in the camera department like the more premium version, K70, which review coming soon, which is twice more expensive, but same processor. But still, if you are not a camera geek, this is something. Something inexpensive and quite powerful. Link in the description for you. Full review and camera test coming soon. Great success. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.